Ready to test your Arabic? Quiz. Vegetables. Part 2.
Question number 1. Which of these is basal? Is it the onion or the garlic? That's right. Basal means onion. Great start. Keep it going. Question number 2. Now, which of these is thum? Is it the sweet corn or the garlic? Perfect. Thum is the garlic. You're doing fantastic. Keep it up. Question number 3. Which of these is fitra? Could it be the mushroom or the radish? Excellent. You got it. Fitra means mushroom. Great job. Question number 4. What does dhurra mean? Is it the pumpkin or the sweet corn? That's correct. Dhurra means sweet corn. You're doing great. Question number 5. Which of these is yaqtin? Is it the pumpkin or the onion? Awesome. Yaqtin is the pumpkin. Fantastic work. Question number 6. Last one. What does fijil mean? Is it the radish or the mushroom? Amazing! Yes, fijil means radish. You've absolutely nailed it today. Fantastic finish! Don't forget to check out the free quiz linked in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Watch for Arabic videos by qualified teachers. Test your understanding with the free online quiz, link in the description. Watch more vocab videos with attached exercises for free. Until next time, take care and keep learning.